According to some media reports, it seems Toyota is planning to launch a new global SUV in India instead of making one in India. Under consideration for India launch are models like Toyota CHR and Toyota Rush. Among these two, the Toyota Rush has higher chance of being launched in India because of its lower price point. The Toyota CHR is based on new TNGA platform, which would require a manufacturing plant here in India and some level of local expertise, which means big investment on Toyota's part to achieve these goals. This may in turn jack up the price. But then there have been reports earlier which indicated that Toyota is considering localization of advanced platforms. But our bet is still on the Rush.